Use this to wash your clothes and white cloths. I'm going to give you this tip that I learned to do this washing. But first, tell me which city you are watching this video from. I am curious to know. I got here these white kitchen towels. You can wash any kind of white cloth or white clothes. I'm going to use a basin to wash in, but you can do it in your tank, or even in a bucket. So I put the cloths in here. You can see that they are pretty dirty. We are going to add 150 milliliters of washing powder. If you don't want to use washing powder, you can use liquid soap. The measure of liquid soap is 1 cup, but it depends on the amount of cloth. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Bicarbonate eliminates bad odors, disinfects, it bleaches, besides being bactericidal, it is fungicidal. Let's use the sun pine. Sunshine pine is wonderful, not only for being able to remove the stains, but also for killing all the bacteria present on the fabric, eliminating the bad smell. Besides being a preservative, it will make the whiteness of the clothes stay longer. I'm going to put cold water here in the basin, more or less until it covers the cloths. Now, let's put here 1 liter of hot water. But it can be more. Stir it around with a spatula, because it is hot. As soon as it cools a little, stir it with your hands. Let it soak for 1 hour. No need to rub it or anything. One hour later, check it out. It is very fragrant and white. This mixture of ingredients is very wonderful, it's worth doing to wash your clothes. I'm going to end this video with a message that is in Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1. For everything there is a right occasion, there is a right time for every purpose under heaven. There is a time for everything, the right time for every purpose under heaven. Many times in our lives when we wish for things to happen faster, we are in a difficult time, and just want it to be resolved as quickly as possible. Although it is natural to want to look forward, we run the risk of missing the things that God wants to show us at that moment. A kiss and until the next video. Bye bye.